Good day, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. Our aim is to link you to practical and helpful DIY videos that may be useful to you and your family in future. If you find yourself scrolling for something to watch, take a little time to watch something that may benefit you in future. Start the new year with a fresh perspective, starting with your own space. Start with your personal space, which would most likely be your bedroom. Mural wall painting can help bring out your creative side, and it can also help you to relax and relieve some stress if you are stressed out. So check out the links in the description below to get started, and give the creators of the content a like if the videos helped you. So have a lovely and a blessed day, everyone. I would like to give thanks to God Almighty for another day, and for the opportunity to direct people to content that may be helpful to them. So to everyone who came across this, I hope the videos below help you today or in future, and thanks for watching.